Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys auto rotate screen problem in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we have got this auto screen problem in your Infinix phone. So friend, how can we solve auto screen problem in our Infinix phone device guys? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we solve guys auto screen problem in our Infinix phone device. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys this search option guys, auto screen. So I will tap here guys auto, then guys wait friends, you can see auto screen guys, tap here and scroll it friends, you can see guys this auto screen setting we will right side icon, tap here to solve this problem. After solve guys, you can use your phone without this rotate screen. You can use it, you can check, you can try, your screen will not rotate guys, automatic. So like that guys, we can solve guys auto screen problem in our Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends. I hope friends you have understood how to solve auto screen problem. Bye guys.